Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make smarter buying decisions. In today's episode, we'll be comparing two drones that are making waves in the market. Please welcome the Bwine F7GB2 drones and the TENSSENX Foldable GPS drone. Let's start with the Bwine F7GB2 drones. Priced at $619, this drone is FAA compliant, meaning it meets all the necessary regulations for safe and legal flying. It comes with a 4K camera equipped with a 3-axis gimbal, allowing you to capture stunning videos and photos at up to 3840 by 2160 resolution. The 90 degrees adjustable lens and 120 degrees field of view lens give you the flexibility to switch between shots of varying distance and composition. Now, let's move on to the TENSSENX Foldable GPS drone. Priced at $249. This drone comes with an ultra-clear 4K camera that guarantees stunning and vivid footage, capturing every detail from a bird's-eye view. Both drones offer impressive features, but let's compare them in different categories. Camera quality. The Bwine F7GB2 drones offer a 4K camera with a 3-axis gimbal, providing stability and excellent video quality. The TENSSENX Foldable GPS drone also offers a 4K camera, ensuring stunning footage from a bird's-eye view. Flight time. The Bwine F7GB2 drones provide a remarkable 50 minutes of flight time with 2 intelligent batteries. The TENSSENX Foldable GPS drone offers a total flight time of 90 minutes with 3 batteries. GPS and intelligent flight modes. Both drones come with GPS-assisted features like GPS auto-return, follow me, and waypoints, ensuring a safe and convenient flying experience. Portability. The TENSSENX Foldable GPS drone wins in terms of portability with its lightweight and foldable design. Based on online reviews, here's what customers have to say about the two drones. And there you have it, a comparison between the Bwine F7GB2 drones and the TENSSENX Foldable GPS drone. Both drones offer impressive features, but it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and budget. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.